Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk to you a little bit about DRIPS or Dividend Reinvestment Plans and what that means to you and how you can grow your portfolio using one. On this channel we do finance related topics. The concepts here on this channel are based off the book Saving Your Future. And if you're interested in learning more, please subscribe. I would love to hear more about what you're interested in, and I will make videos in the future based on comments that I get, as well as other ideas that I'm seeing out in the market. And if you learned something in this video, definitely give a thumbs up and also share with other people. It definitely helps us out. And any questions you have, please comment below, and I would love to share additional ideas and thoughts with you. With that, let's talk about dividend reinvestment plans. A lot of stocks and certain investment portfolios will have what's called a DRIP or Dividend Reinvestment Plan, so it's an acronym. And what they'll offer is the opportunity to take the dividends that you receive off a stock and reinvest that in additional shares. Sometimes that isn't a full share, but a fraction of a share, but that helps as well. So what happens is, let's say that you have a stock that's trading at $50 a share and you own 1,000 shares. Let's say the dividend is $1 a share, just for the sake of argument. And so therefore you have 1,000 shares, you get $1,000 worth of a dividend. You have the opportunity to take that $1,000 and just leave that in your portfolio or invest in something else. Or you can set up a DRIP, which is an automatic plan. And we'll just use DRIP going forward. But what you can do is then take that $1,000 dividend and reinvest it in the number of shares that you can buy of that stock at that current price with that $1,000. So in other words, here's $1,000. If $1,000 equates to 10 more shares of that stock, and I'm not doing the math, just giving you an idea, then it would automatically buy 10 more shares. So if you started with 100 shares, now you have 110. So the next time there's a dividend, instead of getting $1,000, you might get $1,050. That $1,050 that then gets invested in shares up to what 1,050 can buy. Some of them will allow you to only buy whole shares. Some will allow you to buy fractions of shares as well. And then that perpetually goes on and on and on. So after a certain period of time, you're going to find that you bought 100 shares, but your dividends got you to the point where you own 150, 175, 200 or more shares. And I was able to do that when I was at Morgan Stanley. I actually invested in their DRIP, and to this day, that was about 10 years ago now that I've left the company. And to this day, I continue to earn more and more shares each and every quarter. So every time they pay a quarterly dividend, even if it's a fraction of a share or 1.2 shares, whatever it might be, I'm accumulating more shares of Morgan Stanley every single quarter. And that's going to help me grow my portfolio as well. So if you can find scenarios or situations where the company that you're investing in allows you to do a DRIP, why not consider it? Is that something you currently do? Is that something you'd be interested in doing? Tell me a little bit more in the comments below. What stocks do you have? Does your investment portfolio or investment company allow you to do a DRIP? Does your company allow you to buy company stock? Does your company stock come at a discount if you buy it? That was another thing that Morgan Stanley did, is they allowed you to buy stock at a 15% discount off of what it was trading on the market at the time, which wound up being nice because it allowed you to get additional shares. So if that's something that your company offers, are you taking advantage of it? If that's something that your portfolio offers, are you taking advantage of that opportunity? Why are you? Why aren't you? And what are your thoughts about it? So definitely love to converse with you down in the comments below. And please also share this with other people if that's a strategy that you think might be helpful to them. So thanks for watching this. This was a shorter one this week, but I look forward to seeing the next one. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss any of my content as it comes out.